Hello kids, welcome to Virgin Mary School. I'm your teacher, Teacher Sindhuja, and today we will learn about our next sounds. Dear kids, today we will learn about some letters combination also. So let's see. Dear kids, when we write A and I together, we use the sound A. 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 This sound is the long sound of letter A. Let's practice it one more time. A. 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 As in P. A. Pain. P. A. Pain. And A. Rain. A. Rain. Now, letter J. The sound of letter J is J. 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 As in joker and juice. Now, dear kids, when we write letter O and A together, we use the sound O, and it is the long sound of letter O. So let's see. B O T, boat. B O T, boat. And K O T, coat. K O T, coat. Now, when we write letter I and E together, we use the sound I. I. Dear kids, it is the long sound of letter I. Now let's see some example. P, I, pie. P, I, pie. T, I, tie. T, I, tie. Now, dear kids, when we write double E, we use the sound E. 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 And it is the long sound of letter E. Now let's see some example. D, E, P, deep. D, E, P, deep. And Sh, E, P, sheep. Sh, E, P, sheep. And dear kids, now our final sound. Dear kids, when we write letter O and R together, we use the sound or. As in K or corn. K or corn. And F or K, fork. F or K, fork. So dear kids, I hope you have enjoyed it. We will meet you soon. Bye bye.